Resty and Wen, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Good morning. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ngayong araw ay mag-alak kayong dalawa, Resty and Wen, sapagkat ngayon ay tatanggapin ninyong dalawa ang biyaya, ang regalo ng Diyos sa pamamagitan ng pagtanggap ng banal na sakramento ng pag-iisang dibdib.
I just can't believe that you are mine now.
Well, to start my vows to you, I will not change anything dahil tried and tested na tayo. Pero ngayon, sa pagpasok na tayo sa ibang yugto or chapter ng buhay natin, I promise to love you more every day, for me to be more in everything.
I just can't compare you with anything.
13 wonderful years. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na taos puso ako nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon na binigay ka niya sa akin.
Tropang-tropa ko. Kaso walang kiss eh. Gusto ko sana. Ang pinakamabait kong kuya. Kay Joey. Isa pa yung pinakamabait kong kapatid.
Erika. Sa'yo. Thank you. Sorry. May malaglag na. Thank you! Woo! Ay, sorry. Yun, nakaset.
Time and again, there are these changes that we cannot end. Sure as time keeps going on and on, my love for you will be
Ang mga kamay mong ito na naging kasama ko sa lahat ng accomplishments at triumphs ko sa buhay. At ang mga kamay mo ring ito ang siyang umahagod sa likod ko sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Nagkakaroon ako ng struggles at heartbreaks.
You are just a dream that I want to. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world.
Okay, hi baby, accept this gift as a symbol of my unending love for you. Bagay talaga sa'yo to, lalo na ngayong araw na to. I love you so much, Resty.
You were all I need to be here with forever.
Hello. Surprise ka ba? All these years laging dulas ang gift natin sa isa't isa. Pero this watch is special. This will be a sweet reminder of our wedding day. Officially, malyar ka na ako. Keep this and take care of this watch. Just like how we keep our relationship strong. Love you the most, Weng Mallorca.
Iyak.
Sorry na Fix.
Baby, thank you for this. Napakaganda. I really appreciate this gift from you. Iingatan ko to. I love you.
God bless our lives and our relationship. Love. You, Mrs.
Mahal na mahal kita. Rowena Ching Malyarca. Love, babe.